You know why people get infuriated ngaleyo nto kuba utshela nje abantu abahlala elokishini?
Yeah, my sister ngiyakuzwa. Nekuningi okukhulumile ngivumelana ngako. But there are two very fundamental assumptions which are completely wrong owenzayo. Number one assumption, you assume ukuthi abantu abamnyama bavumelene ngoma bahambe. There was no consensus, my sister. Azange saba nomhlangano njengabantu abahluphekile savuma ukuthi abantu abahambe baxoshwe kwezinja. Number two, my sister, you're making a wrong assumption ukuthi abantu aba-privileged are the only intellects in this country. Kahle, what you are essentially doing, you are tying up a disagreement nokwala, especially ngendlela into yenzwa ngakhona, because baningi abantu who are saying there's a problem with illegal immigration and everybody has to be accounted for, of which I'm one of those people. But it can't be manje ukuthi abantu who are against ngendlela nenza izinto ngakhona all of a sudden sekwama intellectuals seba privileged, because angazi ukuthi ubani, my sister, ukutshela ukuthi indaba kamabahambe indaba esivumelene ngayo sonke sabantu abahluphekile nabantu abahlakaniphile kuphela. Ubuhlakana kusawa abantu abanemali kuphela, my sister. Sibaningi nathi who are crying about the big picture here on the ground. It's not just abantu aba-privileged, this is one. Ngendlela ukhuluma ngakhona, you are really undermining poor people. Enye into, my sister, ngibonayo ukuthi uyayenza really kufana nokuthi ugcobisa ingulube ngovaseline. I-movement yenu has gotten out of hand because seyi-victimize nabantu aba-innocent. Ayisahlukanisi phakathi kwabantu abanamaphepha nabanganamaphepha, including ama-South African. My sister, mina nginama-colleague wami manje sekumele ahambe ngathi it's 1960 edrobheni, kumele baphathe ama-ID. Ama-colleague wami abantu abasebenza ema-vicinity kumele babe ne-stress mabashiya ama-ID wabo bazodlula edrobheni ngenxa yabangani bakho. Angazi ukuthi abangani bakho rini, because it's clearly you're not neutral, you have taken a side, and I'm not against that because I've also taken a side. But I feel ukuthi mina iside la wonke umuntu omnyama akusi side ukuthini, because just because we feel ukuthi our people are being used, it doesn't mean ukuthi we are privileged. It doesn't mean ukuthi we don't feel the frustration of our people and their anger. We know ukuthi that is what is being used right now, their anger and their frustration, which is a rightful anger and frustration, my sister. So I think ezinye izinto siswama ivideo yakho ngimamele yonke, ziningi izinto ezikhulumile ngathi bengahlala phansi ololo. But ke thina ke sisizokutshela ke thina abanye njengabantu abahluphekile, because somehow I don't know which spokesperson of the poor people you people met who told you that we are in agreement. This is not a privilege versus underprivileged issue. At this point, this is a moral issue. Morality doesn't belong to the rich. Immoral into enzakalayo, my sister, sayibona noma ungayigcobisa uvaselina kangakanani. Akusini kuphela nabantu abakamabahambi who are frustrated by the way izinto are going la in this country. But masibona ukuthi our nation is going down the drain. Ngeke sithule. So if you think ukuthi mhlamba abantu aba-privileged amelanga bakhulume babe novo in this situation because it affects the poor the most, I think you are one of the people ke kungenzeka ukuthi ngamena bathule. I think you are one of abantu ngenzeka ukuthi mali bathule if wena ufuna ukubamba low line law. Wawungabakhuza abantu ukuthi they don't have a right ukuthi uma ukuthi bangavumelani nomuntu mele bamlaxaze ngenhlamba bakhulume naye ngendlela abathanda ngakhona. Ayikho right into abayenza ku Professor Hammond embokodokazi, and you know better. You know better. Amawa lo mama lo awahambile, and the way generalize ngakhona as a person ukuthi abantu aba-privileged ama-elites asaba belungu, of which I have a major problem with ama-elites wale country. Dala futhi sina saqala uba ne-problem nama-elite wenu. Dala sibatshela abantu benu bangasimameli, masibatshela ngenkinga zama-elite. But anyway, I'm generalizer Prof Hammond as if every other opinion of the privileged or privileged intellectuals, she's carrying them with her. wrong lento leniyenzayo. Awubakhuzi labantu laba maba-attack-a lo sisi lo. Awubakhuzi labantu ngendlela abaziphatha ngakhona. I-movement yenu akusi movement echazayo. It's not a righteous movement. And you don't speak for all of us poor people. Thank you.